Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on the Unity Editor Basics, in which we're going to be talking about the help option up in the menu bar, and this is the last item in the menu bar. So let me open up the editor. So we've talked about file, edit, assets, and so on, and now we're going to be talking about this last item here up in the menu bar, which is the help option. Now from the help drop-down menu, you can pull up the Unity user manual or the Unity scripting reference. So for example, if I open this up, you can read the Unity user manual for the latest long-term stable release. And if I go click on scripting reference, it's going to take me to Unity's scripting reference documentation. So there are other help options to check out. For example, you can check out the official Unity forum, and you can check this out to get specific questions answered, or basically just look up other people's questions. And you can also check for updates from here. So for example, it's going to tell me I can download the new version or skip the new version, and you can check the current software licenses. So all this is what is being used, and you can also manage your current license from here, right? So I'll tell you what license you're using. And you can also report a bug, right? So if you find a bug in the engine itself, you can report that. And then they also have up here Premium Expert Help, which is in its beta version. So they're still testing and working on this to make it better. But basically what this is that it allows you to reach out to a Unity expert and get help. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this useful, if you like this tutorial, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.